don't know. So that's what it is. Ladies and gents, hello, welcome to another vlog. It is I, your host, Mr. Spanky Pants. All right, let me just double check because I want to make sure I got it. So yeah, nice to meet you all, and welcome to another vlog as we are here in Dezumbo, and I'm about to dip back to, oh right, that's what I needed, that fucking wallet, because I'm about to get gas. All right, sorry. We're about to get on the bike really quick. Fuck. Oh yeah, Ridge wallet, sick. All right, here we go. So, first of all, really hope my bike starts, right? Because it's been a little bit of an issue as of late. Let's see, come on, baby. Not so bad. I'd say it started pretty quickly. All right, so let's go. This vlog is gonna be a weird one. It's gonna be a real one. It's gonna be a revealing one, because I got some really bad results after my MRI. My results tell me that my MCL is torn in my right knee at the base. The bigger tear is on the outside of the knee, and then there's another tear on the other side, and this and that, you know what I mean? So so I'm dealing with that bullshit. And long story short, this pain comes and goes, you know what I mean? This pain comes and this pain goes, and there's no rhyme and reason, but when it hurts, my knee is 5 times the size for a month straight, for weeks and weeks, and I can't walk, and obviously there's damage. Now, there's a few ways to deal with it. A, not do anything about it at all, and just freaking you know, just be a gimp, a limpy gimpy, as I call it. For the rest, that should be the name of the vlog, by the way, limpy gimpy. So for the rest of my days on this God's green earth, I'll just be fucking limping, you know? And like every couple months be dealing with that. That's not an answer. That's not a solution. All right, so beyond that, next solution is stem cell therapy, you know, the revolutionary crazy stem cell situation. But I'm not sure how realistic that is. Not only talking about the cost, you know, because obviously the price is expensive, and I'd literally have to go to like Colombia to get this done. You know, it's not guaranteed either. It's controversial for a reason. And then the last and final thing to do is a surgery, and that's what my orthopedic surgeon has suggested. Surgery will take me out for at least a month of like walking around on crutches. I mean, I'd probably be riding my bike in about 2 months, give or take. In 2 months, give or take. I don't know. So that's what it is. And the craziest thing, so like, yeah, like I gotta deal with it. The problem is that it's beginning of the summer. It's legit like June 1st. So like, I don't want to really deal with it, but I might have to. And summer, like, even though it's gonna be itchy and hot to have that brace and all that, it's not gonna be sloppy and wet and cold, and I'm not gonna have to layer up when I go to physical therapy and I fucking go through all this shit. And I still can go upstate, and I still can go camping and all sorts of stuff, you know, just not on the bike. I'd have to be off the bike for 2 months or whatnot. All right, so the worst part about all of this is that this was gonna be a surprise, but I mean, by the time you're watching this video, I probably already decided what I'm going to do, what the course of action is, if I'm going to do my surgery or whatever, you know. What do you call it? The worst part about all of this is that I bought a brand new Monster, a 2022 Monster Plus. That's right. I didn't buy it as of yet, but I put in my $500 deposit, and guess what? It arrived today. And right now I'm actually riding home to write a sad email of me telling Ducati New York that I can't take the bike. I have to cancel. I have to cancel. It's a really, really, really unfortunate situation, but there's not much I can do, you know. Thank you, sir. Yeah, there's not much I can do about it, you know. Like, but plus it's like my initial thought was like, oh, I'm gonna be off the bike for like a month and a half, 2 months, you know, and I'll probably, like, I can buy the bike, I can hook it up, I can build it up, do all that and blah blah blah. But here's the thing, A, when I get a brand new bike, I'm gonna want to ride it. B, I should ride it, because what if there's an issue? Like, you know, obviously granted I will have a warranty and all that, you know, but still, you know, I think I'm gonna abstain and pick up the bike after my surgery, as sad as that makes me, as sad as that is. What are you doing, bro? Trying to pull in, huh? You know you are. So anyway, go get some gas. I really hope my bike doesn't stop running. It could. It may. Very well. I have stopped running here before. Oh, look at that guy. He's got a little cast. So, by the time you're watching this, the decisions have been made. Like right now, like I literally got the results earlier yesterday or last night, so I've been thinking about it all day. And then of course, because the guy told me it's gonna take about a month for the bike to arrive, and guess what? It's been a week and a half. So my fucking bike is here in a week and a half. I'm gonna cancel it. I think though, here's the plan. As of June 2nd, right now is June 2nd. Here's my plan. Cancel the bike, and oh brother, why is there so much traffic? I'm just trying to get to the gas station on top of it, you know, I'm not even trying to go anywhere crazy. Anyway, a little bit of a shade. So yeah, as of June 2nd, my plan is to cancel the bike, cancel the new bike, get my second x-ray, the special x-ray I get done, start my physical therapy next week, and perhaps do the surgery sooner than later. Perhaps do the surgery next week and get after it, you know. Crap, that's the way to do it. All right, and now I'm gonna get gas, and I will talk to you guys later. Okay. All right. Bye bye.